recording. Look at me.
I'd say wait until we get up toward the top of the mountain.
Deal with it.
Oh, isn't that a pretty sight?
Yeah, the butt of a cinder truck.
Yep.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just waiting here, enjoying the view.
Go back up into me here.
Oh, I would never do that.
Yeah, he would.
Who would I then?
The mountain.
Up the mountain. Random.
Man, I can't even.
Probably the
Zoom
top
in.
of the mountain's probably going to be
Gonna be what?
really snowy. It's snowy here, but it's going to be really snowy at the top of the mountain.
Snowy, it's snowy. The old man is snowy.
Don't try to move too much.
Why?
Keep it steady.
Try.
Yeah, this one right here.
Mike, can I record one for YouTube?
Here.
Okay.
Goodbye, peoples.